Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Alright my peeps, here I have some frozen papaya and some frozen mango. If you have the fresh one, you can do it, but I always try to buy them on sale and then you cut them up and freeze them, okay? And I'm going to use some almond milk, about a cup, and I'm going to use some sea moss. Now guys, you can go ahead and cut up a few pieces of fresh ginger, or you can use this ginger, it's like a tea. You can use this one, or you can use some ginger powder, or you can up it, it's optional, okay? And that's it. Let's get blending. All right, so to this little blender, oopsie, we're just gonna add the mango and the papaya. If you don't have it frozen, maybe you could just add a little bit of ice, but I'm not gonna add any sugar to it, okay guys? We're just gonna drink it. Ooh, I'm gonna put maybe just a teaspoon of honey. All right, we're gonna put some sea moss gel. I will leave a link for this one. I'm gonna put a 4 teaspoons. I like a lot. If you have it, plant it. A little bit of ginger, about, I would say about a teaspoon or half. You don't have to put it, okay? It's optional. And a cup of milk. You can use regular milk, almond milk, coconut milk, it's up to you. All right, I'm just gonna put a splash of water because the milk not that enough. All right guys, you don't have to add any honey, but I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of honey. All right, it's optional. Just cover and blend away. Oh wow, you see how creamy and rich. All right, let's serve up some. All right guys, wow, can you see that? So let's pour some in. So creamy. Yay. All right guys, you can go ahead and drink it just like that. So I'm gonna tap 1 ice cube on it. You see how thick it be, guys? Look there. Woo! Sink it down a little bit. All right guys, just leave it at that. You see how thick? Can't even go down in at the bottom. All right my peeps, and this is it. Yes, this is my mango papaya smoothie. All right my peeps, and this is it. Full of vitamins, full of antioxidants, full of fiber. It's gonna clean and build your immune system. All right guys, and if you don't want to add the honey, it's optional. All right, yeah, and you don't have to add any ice, it's up to you. All right guys, this is really rich and healthy for you. And papaya good for digestion. All right, good for your gut. All right, this is it guys. Also guys, I'm gonna leave a link for this one. You know, sea moss guys, it's good for your immune system. It's gonna clean and build you, okay? Build your body, fight away inflammation, infection, bacteria, mucus and phlegm, you know, all of that. It's gonna build up your immune system. And the papaya is good for digestion. You know, you got your vitamins from your mango. You know, it's a super healthy smoothie here. All right guys, I'll come back with more. It's so creamy and rich. Love up on me and I love upon you. Bye guys.